Hi. Where you going? Hey, Curly Q. Yeah, this is Eddie's new sound. Connor had it down for a while. Now Eddie. I see you. Where's Eddie? Hi. Yeah, you took out your barrette, didn't you? Where are you going? You want to close the door? Hi. Oh, uh-oh. You okay? Connor, where are you going? You just moving it? Okay. Yes, this is playtime after dinner. Here she goes. Hi. What you doing, handsome? Connor. Where you going? I see you. Uh-oh. Eddie just sidelined you, huh? Now what?